One thing should be very much clear in your mind that PowerPoint should be a tool to enhance the quality of your presentation and definitely not a distraction. The use of multimedia presentation graphic software by speakers has been standard for nearly 2 decades. Microsoft PowerPoint has been the norm, but there are others on the market, including Apple's Keynote and Google's presentations. The replacement of clear plastic transparencies on an overhead projector and flip charts brought with it an amazing visual tool that added to the audience experience. However, it has also brought forth really horrible practice by speakers that can sink the effectiveness of a presentation. PowerPoint makes it simple to create visually pleasing, compelling, and colorful slide decks and drop in charts, photographs, and video clips. Pre made templates or simple customizations are available as well as more complex, unique background development. PowerPoint allow easy last minute changes to any presentation. The most important thing to remember is that the PowerPoint slide is not there to communicate your message. You are giving a speech, not providing the audience with a group reading experience. There are 7 reminders of what not to do when using PowerPoint. Number 1, do not use too much text. Keep the number of bullet points to a maximum of 5 per slide. Keep the word count per bullet as short as possible, about 6 or 7 words at the most. The use of a slide is not intended to transfer the knowledge to the audience, but instead to be a gentle reminder for the speaker as to the next point to elaborate upon. It should jog your memory to the next story you will tell, not make your point. Number 2, do not use complex chart or graphs. Simple pie charts or bar graphs do a great job of making a point about a statistic or trend. If your chart cannot immediately be understood, do not put it in your presentation. Number 3, do not use wild backgrounds, animation, or sounds. Your slide presentation should not be an entertainment program. Using too many flying graphics or other distracting transition will cause your PowerPoint to take over the attention from your audience. The spoken words should be the centerpiece of the presentation, not the ringing bell each time you advance to the next slide. Number 4, never read from your slides. Turning your back on the audience for any reason is usually a bad idea. Doing it to read from your PowerPoint will make you appear unprepared because this is your presentation. You should know the material well enough that the bullet on the screen is only a clear reminder of the important point you wish to share. Number 5, do not pass out your PowerPoint slide as handout in advance of your presentation. If you give the audience your PowerPoint in advance, they will skim ahead as you speak and look ahead for important thoughts that you will be sharing. Number 6, do not use cheesy clip art. While visual are an important element of your presentation, they should add to your presentation, not just be there for the sake of having a graphic. While the right photograph on a slide can help to emotionally connect with the soul of a person, a generic stick figure with an automated graphic dance will just look silly. Last but not the least, do not skip past slides. Prepare in advance for the length of your presentations. Audience feel cheated if you click past part of your presentation in an effort to get back on schedule. Pay attention to your time frame when creating your slide deck and avoid getting distracted while speaking. If you are off track and need to skip ahead, know in advance the number of slides towards the end of your presentation that will lead you to your powerful conclusion. If you Used correctly, the PowerPoint will keep you on track and create power in delivery of your presentation. Do not think that you always need to use slide in your presentation, as a good speaker can have an impact on his audience by making emotional connection with or without visual aids. Ladies and gentlemen, PowerPoint can add to emotional transfer, but it is up to you to express the passion from inside yourself. A graphic cannot do this for you. Thank you and see you in the next video.